Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are okay. Today I'm gonna teach you how to say breakfast, lunch and dinner in French. So breakfast in French means petit déjeuner. Lunch means déjeuner. Dinner means dîner. So maybe you want to invite someone for dinner. What you have to say? Je t'invite à dîner. Invite means to invite. Dîner, like I told you, means dinner. So when you want to ask someone to join you for breakfast, what you have to say? Viens prendre le petit déjeuner. Prendre means to take. Viens means to come. So viens prendre le petit déjeuner means come take breakfast. So when you want to invite someone for lunch, I told you lunch means déjeuner. You say viens manger. Viens manger means come and eat. So manger means to eat. Viens means to come. Thank you. You have to practice this and subscribe to my channel. Bye.